If you need to factory reset your UniFi Dream router, understand that this will completely erase your Wi-Fi name, password, firewall rules, VLAN settings, and all custom configurations. Make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. To perform a hardware reset, locate the small reset pinhole on the back or underside of the router near the ports or power input. With the router powered on, insert a paperclip or SIM eject tool into the hole and press and hold the button. Keep holding until the LED indicator changes color or the screen turns off. This signals the reset process has begun, then release the button. The router will reboot and restore factory settings, which typically takes 3 to 5 minutes. Do not unplug it during this process. Once finished, it will broadcast the default UniFi setup network again. To set it up, open the UniFi Network app or go to Ubiquiti's web portal at unifi.ui.com and follow the setup wizard. If you still have dashboard access, you can also reset through settings, then system, then factory reset for the same result.